For the record, Julio Cortes, State Representative in the 38th Legislative District. In 2022, the legislature commissioned Extended Foster Care Systems Care Assessment. This past year, we received a legislative report that highlighted recommendations for change. This bill I present before you today is a first step to address key improvements to our foster care program. This bill will ensure all youth, dependent on their 18th birthday, are able to access services by removing some of the barriers young people face in accessing the program, and it would add a housing subsidy to ensure these folks are housed. Right now, we do have foster youth and young adults who by definition are the responsibility of the state, who are struggling as they age into adulthood. This is not right, and it could lead to some of these youth potentially becoming chronically homeless adults, which we will then have to reinvest in the future at a much larger dollar level. It is our responsibility to provide them with the tools necessary to become full, happy, and productive members of our communities. And one thing that we also know is that this investment actually saves the state of Washington money. The Washington State Institute for Public Policy determined that our state's current EFC program produces almost $4 of lifetime benefits for each $1 invested. This policy is good for young people, and it actually makes sense from a fiscal perspective. We are working with DCYF and a couple of other stakeholders on some issues that have arisen, but I hope that we can get together and address those issues as quickly as possible.